Hi everyone, Salam Sejahtera. Today, I'll be covering a topic of water resources and quality. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to apply the concept of water supply and wastewater treatment according to related and current standard. Importance of water usage. We use water for many things such as domestic, for example, cooking, drinking, bathing. Water also used for agriculture applications, construction work, hydroelectric and industrial purpose as well. There are mainly two sources of water. There are surface water and groundwater. Groundwater is the water present beneath Earth's surface, for example, an aquifer. Let's continue. Raw water supply from various sources can be classified based on physical, chemical, and biological qualities. Let's move into every single of the components one by one. Physical tests indicate aesthetic quality and performance of various treatment units. Turbidity, taste and odor, color and temperature are the four elements of physical. Turbidity occurs in the presence of suspended matter such as clay, silt, finely divided organic matter, plankton, and other particulate matter in the air. Second element is taste and odor. Taste and odor in water can be caused by foreign matter such as organic compounds, inorganic salts, or dissolved gases. Next is color. The color of the water is caused by the presence of particles from the decay of organic matter, natural metal ions, plankton, humus, industrial waste, and water plants. Lastly, for physical characteristic is temperature. For potable water, temperature of about 10 degrees Celsius is desirable. It should not be more than 250 degrees Celsius. Chemical characteristics. To examine of water chemical tests are carried out on water. The pH value of water is a measure of its acidity or alkalinity. The chloride content of treated water to be supplied to the public should not exceed a value of about 250 ppm. Mineral content. There are only three types of mineral content, commonly mineral that have been found in water bodies: lead, iron, and manganese. Solid may be organic and come from water's contact with substances in soil, on surface, and in the atmosphere. Lastly is biological. From the biological test, the presence of microorganisms, which are mainly diseases causing, can be detected. Virus cannot be seen under microscope. Protozoa. These are single-celled animals and are the lowest and the simplest form of animal life. They are bacteria, eaters, and thus destroy pathogens. That's all about this topic. Okay class, I have a few questions here. Don't forget to respond to this question.